Guys, I am so excited to share this idea with you. This is a Christmas tradition we've been doing for about 5 years now with our older two grandkids, Gage and Maddie. This year we have another grandchild who just is turning 2, Aaliyah, and I know she's going to love it. I don't think last year it would have meant anything to her, but this year she'll catch on to the fun. What I'm going to show you is how to turn just a regular 24 pocket over the door hanging shoe organizer into a big advent calendar. Now, this is not my idea. I have no idea who came up with it. I learned it from a woman at work, Diane, who learned it from another woman, who learned it from some other woman, who I'm pretty sure learned it from Pinterest or something like that, but I don't know. But if you do know who came up with this idea, please make a comment below because I really would love to give credit where credit is due. This is super fun. You can make it in an afternoon, and we do have about 3 more weeks till December 1st. So if you got right on it, you could present this to your kids or your grandkids on December 1st. And I just promise you it's going to be a fun tradition in your household too. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is pick up one of these 24 pocket shoe organizers. I ordered this one from Amazon and I'm pretty sure it came in a day. I'll link below in the description so you can see the one that I got. But you can find these just about everywhere. Next, you're going to want to pick up some cardstock. I found this plaid Christmassy looking cardstock at Hobby Lobby. My pockets measure 4¼ inches by 9 inches, so that's what I'm going to cut this cardstock to fit. But you'll want to be sure to measure your own in case they're different.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
And there you go, just waiting to be stuffed. And now all the fun begins. This is just a tiny bit of what I have collected over this last year, mostly in the last month, but I do start early. I have a couple bags of stuff that I couldn't even fit in here. I'll just show you a little smattering of the things that I put in there. Of course, they always get little fun hats. This is Maddie's because she's a real blitzy girl. She'll love that. Gage has a more subdued plaid with a little fake fur, knobby thing. And Aaliyah is going to love these little earmuffs. I thought they were so cute. They get lots of books. They get puzzle books, riddle books, activity books. For Aaliyah, I have storybooks. But Gage and Maddie are older and they love riddles, so they'll do that. And then they get little stuffed animals, lots of candy, these little individual sparkling ciders that Dollar Tree carries. What else? Mugs that have their initials on them, little bells to put on their doors, funny glasses. There's somewhere in here is a little Rudolph nose that lights up. I found this little tree at Grocery Outlet that lights up. They'll put that on their bedside. They'll like that sort of thing. And then every year I look for these, found these at Trader Joe's, and these are you put them in warm milk or cocoa and they melt and they're delicious. They always get socks. And this year what I have for Gage and Maddie are Elf and Grinch. And Aaliyah's feet are tiny, so she's getting little alpacas. What else do I have in here? There's so much, I don't even know what to show you. Cute little dolls. Also, Hobby Lobby is really good about putting out like little activity sets. This one's kind of science-y because you can grow a tree, with the crystals. And then they have these little kits that are Christmas ornaments or just decorations, and these will keep the kids busy for a little while, which is nice. I even found one for Aaliyah that's just little tiny wood ornaments that she can color with a marker. I just know I'm missing a ton of stuff, but you get the idea. Ornaments, of course. And then I wanted to show you this. This is a tree that Gage and Maddie each have one. And what I'll do is in their advent calendar, every couple of days, I'll put in a new little set of ornaments for their tree. Sometimes I'll give them ornaments for the big tree too. But Aaliyah's getting her first tree this year, or her tree this year. And then she'll also get, probably on day one, I'll give her the tree and then this little fuzzy tree skirt. She has some lights to go with it. And then Hobby Lobby has this, I think it's called My Little Christmas, but little ornaments that fit right on here. And of course I'm doing it because once she has her tree, she is never going to want to redecorate the big one in the living room, right? No, she's still going to do that. But at least this way she has one for her bedroom and she can do whatever she likes with that. And then on the last day, for the 24th, I always give them like a $10 gift card to Dairy Queen. It might have to be 15 this year because everything is so expensive. Have you noticed? You can hardly go out anywhere and eat anymore. Get off the soapbox, Shannon. This is about Christmas. Anyway, they'll get a little gift card and they can go get something for that. I do recommend that as you're wrapping your gifts, if you have one child, you can just put a little number on here corresponding to whatever day you want them to open it. But if you have more than one child, it really helps because you can put their name on the back. And the reason is because unless you're doing all of this all in one fell swoop, you're going to be wrapping a little at a time here and there. And it's really easy to get confused about what's in what bag. So I will get these little tags, put the number on it, and then attach it to the gift. That way, they get the same thing on the same day, because otherwise you're kind of ruining the surprise for when they get what the sibling got this day if they get it another day, so to speak. But also you can just sort of do it a little at a time, throw them in bags, and then on the day of, it's really easy to just put them all in the pockets. So I recommend somehow you mark them with name and date. So there you have it. It's very fun. I think you can see how much kids would love this, but I think I get the most fun out of it because I get to think about this all year long. I really hope that you will give it a try. And if you do, I would love for you to come back and share what you thought of it and what your kids or grandkids thought of it. So God bless you, and thanks for listening. We will talk again soon. One more thing before you go. You remember the leftovers you had after you cut all that cardstock? Well, if you cut them down into smaller rectangles and then fold them, you can make little cards that you can insert in the stockings, or the pockets, I should say. I like to write Christmas jokes on these for my grandkids, such as this one that says, "What do snowmen eat for breakfast?" And at the bottom of the card, I'm going to write, "Call Grandma for the answer," because that way I get to talk to them every morning during December, which I love. The answer, by the way, is snowflakes. That's what snowmen eat for breakfast. But I also will use these this year for something a little bit different. I'm doing another activity that I'm going to tell you about in a different video, but every couple days I want the kids to either tell mom or dad something they like about them, something they love about them, something that they think is funny, or maybe a favorite memory of their parents, and I'm going to put all those in a book, so stay tuned for that.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.